Handwritten letters are making a welcome comeback, and the right supplies can turn a simple note into something genuinely memorable. These 15 pretty letter writing finds bring together beautiful paper, expressive pens, classic wax seals, thoughtful keepsakes, and helpful tools for the pen pal revival. Before we begin, commissions may be earned from the links shared with this video. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no additional cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. Let's begin with beautiful paper, pens, and seals, the details that make sitting down to write feel less like a task and more like a creative ritual. This vintage stationery set pairs elegant gold-bordered writing paper with matching envelopes and decorative details. It gives even a short note the kind of presentation that feels thoughtful and worth keeping. This gold fountain pen brings an elegant look to the writing desk and a classic feel to every page. The medium nib suits everyday notes as well as longer letters. Glass dip pens make colorful ink feel almost like part of the artwork. With several pens, inks, and accessories, this set encourages experimenting with handwriting, calligraphy, and decorative flourishes. An electric wax seal warmer keeps the wax melting while your hands are free to arrange colors and prepare the stamp. It helps make decorative sealing feel more relaxed and less fiddly. With a wide selection of vintage-inspired designs, this wax seal stamp set makes it easy to give different letters their own personality. The finished seal adds a charming old-world detail to an envelope. Next are useful tools that support the writing ritual, from keeping stamps and lines neat to exploring decorative lettering and creating a dedicated place to write. A postage stamp keeper gives a roll of stamps a proper home instead of leaving it loose in a drawer. It keeps mailing supplies close by and adds a whimsical accent to the writing desk. Vintage-lined writing paper gives you the decorative look of old-fashioned correspondence without giving up the guidance of ruled lines. It helps longer letters stay neat and beautifully presented. These straight-line stencils help guide handwriting on envelopes, cards, and unlined paper. They are especially useful when you want addresses and personal notes to look evenly spaced without drawing pencil lines first. A calligraphy pen set opens the door to decorative lettering with a variety of nibs, ink colors, and writing styles. It is a lovely way to practice flourishes or personalize headings and envelopes. This teak writing box turns supplies into a portable little writing station. Compartments keep pens, ink, and paper together, while the fold-out surface provides a convenient place to compose a letter. The final group brings in the finishing touches: organization, pretty envelopes, preserved flowers, personal photos, and a custom return address. A paper organizer keeps stationery, envelopes, notebooks, and mailing supplies visible and within reach. The side holder and stacked shelves make it easier to give every part of the letter-writing collection a place. Soft floral envelopes make the outside of a letter feel just as inviting as the message inside. The variety of colors and botanical patterns makes it easy to choose one that suits the recipient. A flower preservation press lets you save small blooms for letter decorations, bookmarks, or meaningful keepsakes. Adding a pressed flower can make a handwritten note feel especially personal. A compact photo printer makes it easy to turn favorite phone pictures into prints you can tuck inside a letter. It is a simple way to share family moments, travel memories, or everyday life with a pen pal. A personalized self-inking address stamp saves time on every outgoing envelope while keeping the return address polished and consistent. The decorative styles add a personal touch before the letter is even opened. If you'd like a closer look at any of these letter writing finds, visit Pamela's Best Finds. The blog link is first in the description, followed by the complete Amazon idea list. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more helpful finds.